For the area of a sector of a circle, we're looking at just this little spot here. So what we want to know basically is what percentage of the full circle is that, right? So we want to find out what portion of the circle we are talking about and then multiply that times the area of the circle. So if we're talking about degrees, we're going to use degrees over 360 times the area. If we're talking about radians, we're going to use radians over 2 pi. So, looking at the first one, they give us the area and the central angle, and they want us to find the radius. Since that central angle is in degrees, we are going to use the degree formula. And then I'm going to plug my information in. So I'm trying to find the radius. So this means I need to multiply both sides by 360 over 75, right? And divide by pi. So there's that. Don't forget to take the square root when you're finding the radius. And then there's my answer. Okay. On the next one, they give me the radius and the area, and they want me to find the central angle. So for this one, I'm going to use the formula with radians, and here's why. Once we plug in all of our information, look at what happens. Those pi's cancel out. So you could have used degrees. There's a chance, I guess, that Alex might specify, so just pay attention to what, the instructions are. So I'm solving this for theta. So I've got to rearrange, right? I've got to multiply by the 2 that's in the denominator and then divide by the 7.5 squared. And I get 0.5 radians. On this last one, they give me the central angle in radians and they give me the area. So they want me to find the radius again. So I'm going to be taking the square root. I'm going to use the same formula as I did before. So plugging in my information, there we are. I know that 2 pi over 3 divided by 2 pi can be kind of freaky for you, but that's going to reduce to 1/3. And then I'm going to rearrange a little more, take the square root, and I get 4.6 meters. Those should be pretty quick for you, I think.